Now, officially beginning with our proceedings for the day. To begin, I would like to call on the founder of Women in Law Initiative, Nida Usman Chaudhry. Over to you, Nida. Please put your hands together, everyone. Thank you.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, and thank you so much to everyone who's gotten up on a Sunday morning to be here, to be part of our celebrations. आप सब यहाँ संडे की सुबह आए हैं, अपना वक्त निकाल के हमारे साथ इस milestone moment को celebrate करने के लिए. It's something that I hold very dear to my heart, and I'm really grateful to all of you for being here. Right now I'm here to welcome two extremely talented emerging lawyers who are also authors. And this is the one thing I love and appreciate about women, that they venture into niche areas and they explore and they push the boundaries and they do what people just usually only think about. And one such amazing contribution that we have is by a young budding advocate, Mehreen Nadeem, who's a Lahore-based lawyer with over 5 years of experience. Having started her career in litigation, she now works as a corporate counsel. She's also a research enthusiast and the author of The Kacheri Speak, a very unique book that gives us very easy reference to legal terminologies in both English and Urdu to help us navigate and succeed in the profession so that we are using our vocabulary correctly. So thank you so much to Mehreen for putting that together. Alongside her professional practice, she's committed to advancing legal awareness and public understanding of the law. Over to you, Mehreen. Please tell us a little bit about your book. You have 10 minutes. Thank you so much.
As a responsibility of mine to collectively express our appreciation for Nida and the entire Women in Law Initiative who extend these opportunities for us to engage and to collaborate and showcase our work. So thank you, Nida, and everyone involved in the process of making today happen. To speak a little bit and share a bit about myself and my work, in case you missed it on the big screen behind me. Hi, my name is Mehreen. I am a first-generation lawyer. I started my career in civil litigation law and then I transitioned towards corporate law. I now work as a legal counsel and assistant company secretary for a multinational company based here in Lahore. Within my designated time, I would like to talk about three things. Firstly, what motivated me to write The Kacheri Speak, what the book basically consists of, and lastly, what I intend to what should happen with the book. So firstly, what motivated me to write the book? As you all know, I just mentioned I'm a first-generation lawyer. So when I entered into the practice, my perception of it was very different as opposed to my counterparts who had literally law firms named after them. So when it was kind of a situation where you're sitting in a group of people and they're all speaking in a different language, and you're just left feeling confused and a little bit lost. So the idea behind the book was to mitigate that feeling, especially for first-generation lawyers and all new litigants and fresh grads. The book is a translative guide which ranges towards all of the commonly relied upon laws, and it translates the commonly used English terminology into legal jargon. As we all might know, Pakistan's legal system is linguistically unique in its usage of English language and its parallel usage of local language. So while the superior courts typically function in English, the lower courts do still operate in the local languages, especially when it comes to the pleadings and to the interim orders. So the idea behind it was to bridge that gap one step at a time and to borrow a few words from the screen behind me, to make an impact and to make language accessible and easy to learn. So what the book consists about, like I said, it ranges over different laws, and it is a translative guide. It borrows different terminologies and references to case laws and explanations which are easy to understand in English and in Urdu for those who wish to learn. What I intend for the book to do, I think what I initially planned was to take away the monopoly that still persists over language, something as simple as language. Because when you enter into court, when you, especially the lower courts, very hard to understand Urdu jargon is being thrown around, and that leaves you feeling not inexperienced, but just like an outsider. So the idea was to establish a sense of belonging. So everybody who is a part of this profession, especially I can see so many fresh law students or maybe aspiring lawyers who wish to enter into litigation, I wanted them to have a sense of belonging. I wanted them to know that this profession is as much theirs as it is to somebody with 50 years of experience. So that's it from me, and the book is currently out of stock. We've sold out in a year, which makes me feel so much. Initially, I was a little apprehensive about how it will be received and whether I'm actually making a difference. But the response that we got, and the fact that we sold out in over a year, with most of our audience being law students and fresh grads, I think that really amplified my confidence. And we're working on bringing it back in stock. So hopefully, when it's back, those of you who have yet to see it, maybe you can take a look, and we can all continue to learn and make education and legal education more accessible to everybody. Thank you very much.
Irony is not lost on me when we're talking about language and speaking only in English, but we're going to try and keep it as bilingual as possible. We have international guests with us as well, so we're trying to keep it as bilingual as possible. I remember Mehreen told me that she started working on this during COVID, and I think that's when a lot of us got all of our creative juices out, because we had that kind of time which the profession otherwise does not allow. So, congratulations, Mehreen. This has been remarkable, and I personally was very motivated and inspired by it, and it has been a resource that has personally helped me a lot. So I'm really, really grateful that you agreed to come here today and talk about this book at this celebration tonight. So today.